last week I showed you how to fix loose Lego hair and helmets. This time I'm gonna show you how to fix loose Lego arms. And it actually works pretty well, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so all you need is your Lego figure with the loose arms, and then so you're just gonna need toilet paper or tissue paper, or this is tissue paper. You can use any sort of soft material like this, and then just some sort of like stick or Lego stick. I'm gonna use a broom, or I don't know, something like that. And so yeah, so first I'm just gonna put these to the side because I haven't done yet. So first, you're just gonna take the Lego guy's legs off and just put them aside. And then so you're just gonna take a little bit of toilet paper or tissue, but I'm just gonna use tissue. Just take a little bit. You can just roll it up into a ball, and then so you just stick it in here like so, and then you take the stick and just get it all the way in there like that. Just push it in, and so you can see it's actually like a lot stabler. Like these were both really unstable, so I haven't done this one yet. So you see it's really easy to do it. It just flops and stuff. And then this one is way better if you just put that in. So yeah, it works really good. And then so I'm gonna put both of them in and show you what it's like that with that both in. Here we go. So you just want to make sure it's actually, like, you can see it's really better. Both arms just really more stiff, but not too stiff. And you want to make sure that the balls of tissue is not too big, because if it's too big, then the legs will not fit in the character, so that would be bad. But as you can see, I've got enough. It's not falling out or anything. It's stable. So yeah, so this is a short video. It's a short video today. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this, and see you next time.